Hey, welcome to this video. What you see here is a American lock. It's a model 5570 RFH. Don't know what a RFH means. I got this lock from a package that Joshua sent me. So thank you very much for that lock. It's quite used, so you can see a lot of scratches here and maybe also old, I don't know. I guess it has seen a lot of maybe adventures in his life, so I really like locks that were heavily used in the past. Okay, so that's the bitting on the key. It's not too challenging. Lock works. A little bit stiff, so you have to really rotate this with some kind of force in order to open it. But nonetheless, let's pick it. It's locked up. And where is my pick? Here we are. Let me zoom in a little bit. So there are no security pins here, only standard pins, and actually it's quite easy to pick it. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that you always check if it's not yet picked because of this this stiffness. You might not recognize it when it's actually picked open. Oh shit. Oh, it is open. It was open before. Alright. So that was the American lock picked open. I can try to cut it. Okay. I don't know if this again makes a mess. Let's see. Doesn't even get the screw out of it. Okay, make a short break. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, got the right screwdriver now. Oops. Oh yeah, here's the core. Alright. Okay, we need to be careful not to lose the pins here through the holes. So I will lock it back. Then I will remove the clip. Okay, oops, sorry. That's easy. Where's the key? Here we are. Okay, zoom out a little bit so that you can get a little bit more overview. So, okay, the plug is really stiff. It only turns into one direction. It only turns into this direction, not to the opposite. Don't know why this is the case, but nonetheless, I take my follower and let's see. Okay. dump the key pins out. Alright, so we'll have a closer look to those pins later. And where are my tweezers? So what do we have here? The core was in like that, so this is pin 1. Oh, it's a spool. Wow. Another spool. A serrated one. And serrated and another serrated. Oh, that's quite interesting. So I will zoom in so that you can see the driver pins. So we have 2 spools and looks like this. And if you look closely, they have a serration on the top and on the bottom. These are actually quite cool pins. So 2 of them and 3 of those nice serrated ones. And the key pins, some of them are normal. Some of them are serrated as well. Ooh, that's interesting. It picks so easy. I don't know why this is the case. So we have no serrations here. No threading, I mean. And also nothing special on the plug. Alright, so very interesting, very strange. With those kind of weird pins, it picks like all standard. Quite interesting. Alright, so much for that lock. Thank you very much for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye. Here is a nicer overview of the pinning situation. Of this American lock. Alright, happy picking, bye bye.